Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus limits can look intimidating, but solving this specific rational function problem is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to the answer. First, recognize that the denominator is a difference of squares. We factor it as negative of x minus a times x plus a to match the numerator perfectly. Let's go! Now substitute this into our limit. We can cancel the common x minus a term from the numerator and denominator, leaving us with a simplified expression. You got this, team! Finally, evaluate the limit by plugging in x equals a. This gives us 1 over negative 2a, which matches our target option. Boom, we found the correct answer. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sophie. Don't ignore signs or miss factors. Always factor carefully and cancel terms to solve correctly.